How long will it take Cricket to open the treat bottle? Wow. Oh my god! Is it open? It's almost open. It's open, I think. I'm pretty sure it's open at this point. But,
Ooh. Oh, your Cricket's sniffing their butt.
He's like, what are you doing? Why do you have that by me?
Oh, there's some treats that came out.
Oh, wow, he's already got it open, though. That means it was under a minute, but we still need to see the final result. He definitely has it open, but like he hasn't.
He's got to open it all the way. Come on, figure it out.
Dude, we were counting on you here.
He got a treat. He got one out.
Oh, he got one
He's
out.
eating
Okay.
it.
Oh, that's what stopped the process. Okay. Oh, he's eating them out of the bag. Okay, I get it. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Okay, so it was under
Under 2
it was
minutes.
under 2 minutes. Okay.